Hi all, welcome to MES e-learning channel. In this lecture, I am going to discuss the term median. Median is a term used in statistics. Median divides a set of data into two equal parts. Then, for finding median for grouped data and ungrouped data, there are different methods. For grouped data, we can use this method. For example, if the data is given like this, now there are 5 observations. Then first we have to arrange these observations in ascending or descending order. Here I am arranging these observations in ascending order, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 observations. Then median is the middle value of the observation, that is 3. Median of these observations is 3. That is, when there are odd number of observations, then median is the middle value of the observations. Now, in case there are even number of observations, for example, if the observations are like this, now there are 6 observations in this, then first we have to arrange these observations either in ascending or descending order. Here I am arranging these observations in ascending order, that is 1, 2, 5, 7, 8 and 9. Now in this case there are 2 middle values, that is 5 and 7. Then median will be the average of 5 and 7, that is 5 plus 7 by 2, that is 12 by 2, 6. That is the median of these observations. For group data, median we can find by using the formula. Median is equal to L1 plus L2 minus L1 into n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency. Here L1 is the lower limit of median class, L2 is the upper limit of median class, n is the total frequency and f is the frequency of the median class. Now we will take an example for this, that is one data is given like this, class interval and frequency is given. Class intervals are 0 to 25, 25 to 50, 50 to 75, 75 to 100. Okay, and the frequencies are given like this: 12, 10, 15 and 3. This is the data given. For the class interval 0 to 25, frequency is 12, 25 to 50, frequency is 10, 50 to 75 it is 15 and 75 to 100 it is 3. Now we have to find the median of this data. For this, first you have to find the cumulative frequency, that is CF. Then cumulative frequency we can find by using like this. First is 12, then 12 plus 10, 22, then 22 plus 15, that is 37, then 37 plus 3, that is 40. Now here total frequency also 40. Now you have to find the value of n by 2. N by 2 is 40 by 2, that is 20. Then you have to find the median class. Median class, this 20, n by 2 is 20, 20 is coming after 12 in the cumulative frequency. Then your median class is 25 to 50. Then we can use the formula for median. Median is equal to L1. L1 is the lower limit of median class, that is 25, plus L2 is the upper limit of median class, that is 50 minus 25 into n by 2 is 20 minus cumulative frequency of the previous class is 12 divided by frequency. Frequency of the median class is 10. Then 25 plus 25 into 20 minus 12, that is 8, divided by 10, that is equal to 25 plus 25 into 8, 200 by 10, that is 20, that is equal to 45 is the median of this grouped frequency distribution. Okay.